With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that a hypothetical florigen could be produced prematurely in a long day plant by exposing it to which of the following lights. So here we see that the florigen is the hormone which is responsible for flowering, and here we are referring to a phenomenon of photoperiodism, that is exposure to light for induction of flowering. So when we talk about a long day plant, that means this is that plant which requires a long photo period. That means light period should be more, dark period should be less for it to start its flowering process. So long photo period, that means it should be also be called as a short night plant. So this requires a photo period of less than the critical duration. So the examples of such a plant are henbane, which is a biennial plant, wheat, oat, sugar beet, spinach, radish, barley, larkspur, and lettuce, right? So in this case, the photoperiod and the dark period is called as the scotoperiod, right? So dark period is given the name of a scotoperiod. So when the plant, that is a long day plant, is placed in during the night, that means the night will be short, but if the night is interrupted by a flash of red light, then it can be made to flower by the induction of synthesis of this hormone which is called as florigen, and this is the hormone which is responsible for the initiation of the flowering process. So our option number 2 here becomes the right answer for this question, while the other options say shortening the light period. In case light period is shortened in case of long day plant, will never flower because it requires a long photo period. The third option here says extending the dark period. That means if the scoto period is increased, then also it is not going to flower because it is a short night plant. Whereas far red light will not induce the flowering. Whenever far red is given, the flowering will be stopped, right? So red light is the one which induces the formation of hypothetical hormone florigen, and it is determined that photoperiodic response is determined by phytochrome, which shows reversible changes at red, that is 660 nanometer, and far red, that is 730 nanometer. So this can show reversible changes. So this is that pigment which can show reversible changes from red to far red, right? So the option number 2 here becomes the right answer for this question. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.